morning, children. How are you all? Okay. Welcome back to social class. Today we are going to learn about continents and oceans. Okay. Children, before going to this topic, quickly we have to recall the previous topic. Shall we? Okay. Now tell me, children, what we learned in previous class? Very good. We learned about the shape of the earth. Okay. And why there is a life on the earth's surface. Am I right? Children, now tell me why there is a life on the earth's surface. Very good. The earth has air, water and the right temperature. So that is the reason the life is possible on the earth's surface. Okay. Now the earth is made up of water and land. Okay. 70% of the earth's surface covered with water, okay, and the remaining 30% covered by land. 70% water, or we can say 3/4, or here 1/4. Children, 3/4 of the earth's surface covered with water and also called hydrosphere. Children, hydro, which means water. Children, the land masses of the earth make up the lithosphere. Okay, lithos, which means rock. Lithos, which means rock. Children, here the huge water bodies on the earth's surface are called oceans. Okay, the huge masses of land on the earth's surface are continents. Okay, now let us learn about continents and oceans. Okay, children, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. Okay, now let us learn about continents. Now tell me, children, what are continents? The huge masses of land on the earth's surface. Are called oceans. Sorry, continents. There are 7 continents on the earth's surface. Children, the huge masses of land on the earth's surface are called continents. Okay, there are 7 continents on the earth's surface. Children, huge, which means big. Okay, children, please note down the definition of continents. Okay, now Asia, Africa. Children, please note down North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Look at me, children. Yeah, sorry. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Okay, and Africa is the second largest continent in the world. North America is the third largest continent in the world. Okay, next South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. Coming to Antarctica, Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. Okay, and Europe is the sixth largest continent. And coming to Australia, Australia is smallest continent in the world. Okay, Asia is the largest continent in the world and Australia is smallest continent in the world. Am I clear, children? Children, now we'll see these all continents on a map. Look at me, children. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Once again, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Children, now I'll show you Asia. Children, our continent is Asia. Okay? So, we must learn more about Asia. Okay? Look at me, children. The largest continent in the world is Asia. Okay? Children, it is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay? Arctic Ocean on the north, Pacific Ocean on the east, Indian Ocean on the south. Okay, so Asia is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay, children, Asia is also home to Himalayas. Okay, and Asia covers 1/3 of the world total land mass. Okay, and 60% of the world population residing here. Okay, children, Asia is separated from Europe, okay, by Ural mountains. Okay, children, look at me here. Children, I want to say one thing. Each continent has many countries. Okay, Asia has 48 countries. Okay, look at me, children. Russia is the largest country in Asia. Okay, second largest country is China. Okay, third largest country is India. Children, India is the third largest country in Asia and seventh largest country in the world. Okay, now let us learn India's location in Asia. Look at me, children. India is located in southern tip of Asia and it is surrounded by three water bodies. Okay, Arabian Sea on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east, Indian Ocean on the south. Okay, it is home to Himalayas. Now we learn about Africa. Okay, children, I'll show you Africa. Yeah. Look at me, children. It is Africa. Africa is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay. South Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Mediterranean Sea on the north, Atlantic Ocean on the west, Indian Ocean on the east. Okay. Children, Africa is home to deserts. Okay. Deserts, which means the land is completely covered with sand. Okay. So, Africa is home to deserts. Okay. And Sahara and Kalahari deserts are located here. And Sahara desert is the largest desert in the world. Okay. Coming to Asia, Asia is home to Himalayas. Okay. And coming to Africa, Africa is home to deserts. Okay. Sahara is the largest desert in the world. And Nile River, okay, is the longest river in the world. Okay. What is this river? Very good. Nile River, which is the longest river in the world. Okay. Now, North America. I'll show you North America, children. Yeah. Look at me, children. North America. Okay. North America is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. Okay. Atlantic Ocean on the east, Pacific Ocean on the west, Arctic Ocean on the north. Children, some of the world richest and most technological advanced countries like USA and Canada. Okay. USA means United States of America. Okay. So these located in North America. Okay. Now let us see South America. Yes. Look at here, children. South America. Children, it is surrounded by oceans on all sides. Okay. And Amazon rainforest, Amazon river are located here. Children, Amazon river is the longest river in the world. Which is the first one? Nile. Okay. And the second one? Amazon river. Okay. Amazon rainforest, Amazon river are located in South America. Okay. Next, Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent. Okay. And Antarctica. Antarctica is fifth largest continent. Children, Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and it is also called frozen continent because the area is completely covered with a thick layer of ice. So that is the reason we call frozen continent. Frozen, which means ice. Okay. So Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world. Okay. Europe is the sixth largest continent. And coming to Australia. Australia is small continent in the world. Okay. Children, Australia is completely covered with water on all sides. Okay. And it is also called island continent. Okay. And it is home to kangaroos and ostriches. Okay. So now we learn 7 continents, right? What are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Am I clear, children? Now we learn about oceans. Children, the huge water bodies on the earth's surface are called oceans. Okay, there are 5 oceans on the earth's surface. Okay, children, what are oceans? Very good. The huge water bodies on the earth's surface are called oceans. Okay, there are 5 oceans on the earth's surface. Now I'll show you on your map. Okay, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Once again I'll show you. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Children, Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. Okay, children, next, Indian Ocean is the only ocean to be named after a country. Once again, it is the only ocean to be named after a country. Okay, next, Southern Ocean is formed when the Pacific Ocean, okay, Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean merge around a continent, Antarctica. Okay, so here the Southern Ocean is formed when the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean merge around Antarctica. Okay, next, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay, so there are 5 oceans on the earth's surface. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Children, now I'll give you a small mnemonic easily to remember these all oceans. Okay? Look at me, children, and read out this word. What is this word? Very good. Paisa. If you remember this word, easily you will get these all oceans. Okay? Look at me. Okay? P-A-I-S-A, Paisa. Okay? P for Pacific Ocean, A for Atlantic Ocean, I for Indian Ocean, S for Southern Ocean and A for Arctic Ocean. Okay? So there are 5 oceans on the earth's surface. Am I right, children? Okay. Children, what we learned today? Very good. We learned about 7 continents and 5 oceans. Right? Now let us watch one video for better understanding the continents and oceans. Okay?
Our earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. Asia is the continent that has the most people. It's also the largest in size. It has the 50 highest mountains in the world. Their peaks reach high into the skies. Second largest is Africa. It's the hottest continent of all. It has the largest sandy desert in the world and animals both large and small. If Africa's hottest, then which is the coldest? Antarctica, but it's so very cold. It's only home to seals, penguins, and other birds. Though there's snow, it's the driest, I'm told. And which is the wettest? It's South America. Rainforests cover much of its face. Millions of animal species live there. You'll find them all over the place. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. Let's look at Australia. It's the smallest of continents. The fewest people call it home. Most of its land is the bush bushland and outback where koalas and kangaroos roam. Now on to Europe, though it's rather small, it has dozens of famous old cities. Berlin, Madrid, Paris, London, and Rome. Each city is uniquely pretty. Last but not least is North America. It's the continent that I know best. It is the home of our own United States, a wonder from East Coast to West. But let's not forget there are also 5 oceans. Please, let me be quite specific. Their names are the Southern, Atlantic, and Arctic, the Indian, and the Pacific. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. I hope you learned something about all the continents and the names of our 5 oceans. Hopefully someday you will travel to each, but only if you get the notion. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand.